Hey guys, in this part talk about math in Python. Python has a set of built-in math functions, including an extensive math module that allows you to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. So, built-in math functions. The min and max functions can be used to find the lowest and highest value in an iterable. So, x is min of 5 and 10 and 20, and y is max of 5, 10 and 20. Print x and y. Save and run. And we have 5 and 20. And the ABS function returns the absolute or positive value of the specified number. So z is ABS of minus 7.5 and print z and run, and we have 7.5. and the pov function returns the value of x to the power of y to the power of y. So a is pov function and 2 and 3. Save and print a, run, and we have 8. And the math module. Python has also a built-in module called math, which extends the list of mathematical functions. To use it, you must import the math module. So import math, and when you have imported the math module, you can start using methods and constants of the module. So the maths.sqrt method returns the square root of a number. So b is math.sqrt and 64. Save and print b, and we should have 8, and we have 8. And the math.sale method rounds the number upwards to its nearest integer, and the math.floor method rounds the number downwards to its nearest integer and returns the result. So C is, for example, math.sale 1.4, and D is math.floor 1.4, and print C and D. Save and run, and we have 2. C is 2, math.sale, and math.floor D is 1. And the math.py, the math.p constant returns the value of p. So p is math.p and print p. Save, run, and we have p 3.14 and etc.